Thank you for signing up for the Anxiety Cure Crash Course. My name is Justin Cohen. I'm a best-selling author, global speaker, and transformational coach. I've helped many people with their breakthroughs, and I am so excited to get the chance to help you with yours. The Anxiety Cure Crash Course is a 10-day program that will require less than 20 minutes of your time each day. I'm going to be sending you a short daily video. By the end of this program, you will know the real cause of anxiety. Spoiler alert, it's not your genes, childhood trauma, or chemical imbalance. You will know exactly what you're doing that is unintentionally making your emotional distress worse. And best of all, you'll find out how to heal your anxiety for good. Not only will you be getting a powerful insight into understanding and healing emotional distress of any kind, you'll also be getting a daily MRP. An MRP is a mental reconditioning process that is going to start rewiring your brain out of emotional distress into states of ease and calm. Think of the next 10 days as a commitment to your own self-care and well-being. Research shows that happy people are physically healthier, they live longer, they're more productive, mentally focused, creative, and in the same job, they get better evaluations and more pay rises. Sometimes people think that focusing on their own emotional well-being is selfish. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. See, when you heal yourself, you heal your relationships. When you're kind to yourself, think about it. You're kind to others, aren't you? When you do this, you're not just doing it for you. You're doing it for all the people that you love and care about. Just think about it. How effective are you as a friend, a team member, leader, a parent when you're frustrated, stressed, and anxious? What do they say on an airplane? In the event of an emergency, before helping others with their oxygen masks, put one on yourself. You can't be there for others until you can be there for you. The next 10 days are about healing anxiety, but they're about so much more than that. It's about showing up in the world with your best self so that you can truly fulfill your purpose for being on this planet. I know what it's like to suffer with emotional distress and anxiety. I tried everything, just about every major psychotherapeutic treatment, pharmaceutical, drug, meditation, positive thinking, relaxation. So many of these things seem to make things better at first, but worse later. Finally, I found my cure, and never again have I suffered like that. I made a promise that if I found the solution, I would share it with the world. And that's what I'm going to share with you starting tomorrow. Now, each video will come early in the morning in an email from me, Justin Cohen. So look out for it each day. Whitelist my email address. Check your spam folder. See, for this program to be effective, you need to go through it every day. And this is not only going to help you deal with your emotional stress, overcome your anxiety, fulfill your potential, it's also going to prove to you that you can follow through on a commitment, which is key to success of any kind. Hold yourself to a higher standard on this. Prove to yourself that you can do it, because if you can follow through on this, you can follow through on the other things that you know you need to do to truly thrive. So right now, open your calendar, carve out 20 minutes of each of the next 10 days. Call this your transcender time, your time to work on transcending your distress and conditioning yourself to truly thrive. You could commit to it first thing in the morning or before you go to bed at night. Those are great times because there's less distraction. But any time is good as long as you make the commitment and put it in your calendar. I promise you, it'll be worth your while. Set some sort of reminder. Research shows that setting reminders is one of the most effective ways to increase follow-through on any goal. Now, you could create a reminder on your mobile phone. You could just set your alarm clock, put it on your computer. Think of this as a promise to yourself. Fulfill this and you strengthen your resolve, your dedication, your commitment to follow through on everything else that is important to you. Now, to reward you for following through with this program, I will be giving you my best-selling book, Quest Inc., which Three Talks Nolene calls inspirational, unputdownable, and life-changing. All you need to do is go through the whole program, leave a short comment at the end, and I will give you a copy of my book. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 1 of your Anxiety Cure Crash Course. Until then, know this, there is nothing wrong with you that can't be fixed with what's right with you. See you tomorrow and get ready for the breakthrough that you've been waiting for.